Damn it. Connection dropped again. Okay. Okay. We have to go that way. There's a church and a castle. If you guys want me to explore that one time, I will. I can. I'll turn around soon. I need to cross the road first. Let's see. There you go. It's only the front, so. Let's see, we have to follow this. So the battery of the camera is like 24 now, so I might have to replace it soon-ish. If I'm correct, I have to go in here somewhere. Oh, hello. Yes, right. Back into white area. Ah, shit. Do I need to go right or straight? I have to go straight. Oh, you cannot enter this area actually. There's a sign. Public restriction sign. Oh, damn. Whew. We survived that. So these Via videos will be, at least this series, I think I'm going to change every series different charity, but I'm working together with Make-A-Wish Foundation, Make-A-Wish International. They are an international organization that also operates in country-wise, just saying, but I work with international. I'm an ambassador actually for them with my VTubing Twitch account as a streamer. So I do a lot of streaming charities for them. But yeah, what do? They are. They will make. You have situations where children are in given areas or given locations or whatever. Situation is the best word. Where they are unable to do. So, what happened? My phone was, my camera was giving me signals and keeps dropping. And I didn't notice something. I thought it was the battery, honestly. It was not. It was the memory card that was getting full. So it basically recorded until, give me a sec, I'll show you guys what the damage is. Basically from point, I still got a major of the road, but basically from point 8 till here, where you are now, it did not record. So you didn't miss much. You miss a castle slash church. I'm not going back. I'm not going to re-walk that. So So the only thing I can do is apologize for it. It is my mistake all alone, of course. I did not know that that they were giving me that kind of signals. So I will look at the damage control at my home. If the other files are good, but the only thing I can do right now is walk back. So I need to correct my... I did replace the battery, so that's even sucks more. I wasted the battery for this. But yeah, you can still enjoy this. But it is a learning curve for me as well. I'm not very used to this camera, so apologies. It was very stupid for me. So I kind of miss, like, give or take about 30 minutes of the route. You haven't missed, like I said, you haven't missed much because it was all uphill. Because we basically went, what I said in the video, straight and then left, and we basically walked over the countryside. We went down, and then we went left, then uphill to the right, basically entering the city, the village. Walked through the village a little bit, and up the hill towards the castle slash church. If you want me to explore that, just leave it in the comments and I will look into it, but for now this is my focus. And then we went up downhill and it shuts down again, and then on that moment I saw the... what the hell is here going on? I'm going too far. It says I have to go here. So don't go straight because that's impossible, but we have to go this way. Huh. Wonder which way that is actually. Anyway, so yeah, the beautiful view. You didn't miss that much of the views. Oh great! I have to wait. And enjoy the view until the bikers pass.
Thank you.
Yes. Like I said on the way, keep a watch on mountain bikers. They love to, and sport bicycle bikers, they love to go cross these roads. This is like their typical sporting ground. So yeah, I was not complaining at all. I did drink. When we were entering the forest area, I took a chance to take a sip of my drink. Yeah, I just feel guilty about this now, that I missed 30 minutes. Oh well. I apologize. I can only apologize, you know. This really sucks. At least you're getting the last few bits of the area. Just for your information, we are, give or take, an hour or two on the way. Now almost 2 hours now on the way, so I did hit my remark that I would take 2 hours of this route. Let's see, we are going this way. You guys can still see a significance of the route, I guess. Yeah. Oh well. And I can dry a bit up because I've been sweating. Whew. So I don't know if it's made it to the video, but I did give my compliments towards Natuur Point and the Belgians for wonderful upkeep and maintenance of their routes. It looks wonderful. I really enjoyed it. So yeah, just wanted to mention that. Okay. So what I was mentioning in the downhill in the forest back when we resumed the recording, these videos, I try every series maybe to do a different charity, but in this charity of this series of Limburg, I'm giving my I'm working together with Make-A-Wish International, and the organization is like I work with them quite often. Also, I'm an ambassador for them in Twitch as a VTuber representative. But what they do is help children that are in medical or chronic situations that they are unable to do what a normal child, what a child can do, basically. Be it going outside, playing with friends, going over to friends, you name it. Or just having a birthday party, I don't know. Anything is possible. I have to go here. They cannot do that. They are bound towards their house. They are bound to go regular checkups or treatment at the hospital. And Make-A-Wish makes it possible to take them away from that misery and grant their wish. It can be very small, something like giving them a console, be it an Xbox, be it a PlayStation, be it a Wii. I need to go, so I'm very restricted. That way. And now I do need to wonder, do I go that way? Yeah, we do go that way. Yeah, we do. So they make it possible for the wishes to come true, and it can also be very big. It can be being a fashion designer, it can be a streamer like me, it can be a pilot, I don't know. It can be all. I've seen wonderful things already, and they do a wonderful job. Am I going to go away the right way? No, I'm not. I actually had to go down there. Oh well. But we still resume the course. Alright. So if you can, if you want, it's purely voluntarily, have a minimum price of €3, $3, because PayPal demands that as a transaction cost. You can help basically with granting a wish for a child. Do note my words, it is voluntarily. I do not want you guys, if you are in financial problems or whatever, I do not want you guys, that if you are in financial problem, in problems to donate your money that you actually need. If you cannot donate, do not feel guilty. You can spread the word. I leave the link of the charity down below in the summary, and you can click it, share it with your friends, family, anyone. If the link is inactive, just tell me. I will update the video with the correct link. But thank you in advance. Meanwhile, you can hear me cough. I breathe heavy. I'm so not good at hills. That's a good thing, because you guys did not see me die on the hill. Oh, you missed that view. Oh, that sucks. Well, I made a few pictures. I might put them in the video. If I still have them. So yeah. It was a beautiful sight to view in Belgium. No, wait, you did see that. Wait, I don't have the shirt. Okay. Like I said, I will do damage control when I'm home. Damn. So I was explaining between that route that I could not figure out why this route had like 3 stars out of 5. Like, if it's 3 stars is pretty bad, of average, and I couldn't figure it out. Like, the Belgium route was just good, in my opinion, and the Dutch one so far is also well quite good. I can see everything, beautiful landscape, beautiful day. But the only thing I can figure out that would downsize the rating is the sun. It's constantly shining on you. You don't have really paths into a shade or shadows or whatever, so it wrecks you up quite severely. Yeah. So yeah. Huh. Like these kind of routes, these like pathways, I can understand why it goes down. If that is the reason. So we gotta go right. I'm gonna drink some and we continue our route. This is what I'm drinking, vitamins drink. Oh wait, that's rude. Like I said earlier, take your trash with you. That's basically what I'm doing. Got the bag in my holder. Okay. Whew. Yeah. Oh yeah, I needed that. Oh, damn. Whew. Okay, let's just continue. Yeah. If you guys got like improvements, tips, tricks, whatever, do note that they will be taken as advice with me towards the next series. I'm doing these pre-recorded, like they are done before they are actually sent out, uploaded to the network. Just saying. I'm building quite a database already. Oh, quite a few videos, but not many. Maybe this is like my third video. See, this kind of parts I do not like. Full in the sun. Damn. I think we're past 12 now. Yeah, now we are almost at 12. Like we have to go through the tree line, go left, right, straight ahead, and take the road with me. And we are past 13, and we're almost done. Oh. I think it's about 30 minutes, give or take. So. That my body is at the peak right now. It's done, but I have to go on because my car is at the end. So a little choice, I have to do it. What the hell? What's the idea here? Oh, you guys are not making me climb. Please don't say that. Oh no, okay. It's going like right in between. Gotcha. Oh, you gotta be joking me. Another one in the sun? Damn. Yeah. If the 3 stars is because of that, I can totally understand it. Still, I would not give it a 3 stars. So far, it's not this really disappointing. I'll let you all guys judge that for yourself. If you're like, this is not really that pretty and everything. That's possible, the short taste. I walk them, bring you along. You can make your own verdict, and if you want to explore them for yourself, when you're here, go for it. Just do it. Yeah. It's a nice area. Well, we are getting back to Noorbeek, the city, or the village where we started. I keep calling them city, but it's not a city. It's a village. A few thousand people. Not even, I think. I would be surprised if there are more than 500. My bag is wet. I really thought it was the temperature that was like complaining. Camera wise, I mean, not me. I'm complaining the whole time. Horses. Big family. Don't feed them, please, if you see them. Let's see, where are we? We're on the cross part, road, whatever. And we have to go straight. For a second I hoped we were going to use this, but we are not. Oh, we are going down, which is good. In a way. Look at that view. Ukrainian. Huh. Welcome, I guess. Yeah. We have to go down here. Up. Yep. Yes. This is the way. Damn it. What? What? Horse. Horse was talking. Oh. Don't know. It was doing something. See? Doing it again. Okay. I have to follow this, I guess. It looks like the road stops here, but it doesn't. They make like little pathways. Very nice. I approve of this. Look at that view. Love it. Alright, ever owned these horses? They have a lot of young ones. I hope you guys are seeing enough. Let me see what you guys see. Oh, my battery of my phone is now complaining. Let's see. I was give or take correct about that. Oh, you guys are seeing a beautiful view as I do. Sorry for the wiggling. The part is not really straight. Like I have to go do like nature-shaped stairs, I guess you can call them. Oh boy, even more. Okay, we have to go straight. For some reason it keeps shutting down, so it might be the temperature anyway. So it did two things now in this route. It overheats and it basically had too less of a storage. It's less storage. So I apologize for the technical difficulties. I'm trying to finish this up and I will cool this one down because the camera feels hot. Okay, where do I go? Straight. Oh, okay. One road and then we go straight. Wait, do I go straight? I guess not. We go downhill. Yep, we're downhill. Right. Oh man, I was struggling. So that I think that's also a good reason, good indication that how hard it is in this route. The camera, it keeps shutting down because it's overheating. I hope I don't get damaged because of it. But it's also a learning curve for me that I don't walk when it's super hot. Yeah. Noorbeek, we are back. So we're almost at the end. Basically, the route says that I have to go right and then make a 180 and then go back. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going back, that left, not right. A little bit pointless if I do that. My fair opinion. We're reaching. I actually don't know. Now it's a sightseeing location. So, like I said, I'm going right, going left, and follow the road. It's peculiar. Oh wait, I have to cross the road, I guess? Yeah, I think it did. So basically it's guiding me back. Suddenly I do like You can go straight and go back to the location if you're tired, but we are gonna finish it because one, I finished my route, and two, you guys already missing 30 minutes of your route, of this route that I've seen in Unite. So yeah, still going to do that last piece. You need to be focused on these little roads when you're going here, when you're coming with the car, because it can be very confusing. Like locals can drive normally here, I suspect. I think I have to... we have to go up here. So the choice is, we can go that way and you can finish it, or you can go this way and you can do an extra few kilometers, which we are going to do. Because I feel guilty and responsible. Alright. This is rather quickly. Because basically, when you do this one, you finish at your starting point. The starting point of the video was not the starting point of the route. Like I said, I could not park my car there, so I had to put it somewhere else. Oh. Oh. Okay. I swear you get sunglasses on subscription. But okay. If you didn't notice, poor elderly woman had sunglasses and normal glasses over each other. So pretty weird. Don't see that often. So I'm not gonna lie, but this route is indeed about 3 hours and 30 minutes. We are hitting 2 hours and 30 minutes now, because we started at 1:30 and it's almost 4. Yeah, 2:30. So I'm hitting basically the amount that I was expecting to hit. I didn't expect that, but it is quite a daunting route. I already gave it 4 stars from the 5. I will leave it up to you guys what you think it is worth. We are reaching the end. Checking here the route. Yeah, let's go straight. So in the end, I will have to go right, and we will be finishing up. These videos most likely for you guys. I do want to thank you all for being with me on this wonderful journey here at Noorbeek. The route is called Noordal. You can find it on natuurmonumenten.nl or in their app, in the location of Noorbeek. If you like what you see, there are coming more of these kind of videos, because I focus on showing you the hidden gems over the Netherlands, whereas my wife focuses on culture and tourism. So in Indonesia. So if you want to see those videos, you can always look at the channel. I think she might have already posted something in regards of that. It is an Indonesian, do have to tell you that. I'm the only one that is doing English. But like I said, if you like the video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, you can subscribe towards my channel. I want to thank you all for being with me, and I want to wish you all a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you for being with me, and I will end the video soon when we reach the church. That's the starting point, by the way. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.